200 years ago, Europeans exploring these northern lands described soil that would burn in a campfire. It's called bitumen, and these days it's the basis of Canada's drive to become an energy superpower. To those in favor of increasing use of the vast petroleum reserves here, what's being mined are oil sands, the key to Canada's economic future. But detractors prefer the term tar sands and warn that digging them out of the ground will speed up climate change and cost far more than the revenues generated. Many global oil companies are here digging, mining, and sending bitumen south to the U.S. and world markets. Oil and gas are Canada's largest exports by far, and selling energy will be the cornerstone of the country's economy for decades to come.
Governments are looking to this for revenues. What's happened more recently is that the globe and the world economy has looked to Canada. Number one, they've seen the potential of the resources. I mean, the third largest resources in the world when it comes to oil.
With growing concern about climate change, some question if it's wise to become so dependent on fossil fuels. This economist was an advisor to the Nobel Prize-winning Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change.
What do I do? Do I help? Do I try to get rich while increasing carbon pollution into the atmosphere? Or do I try to stop it, slow it down?
Technology may hold the key to a cleaner future. In this laboratory in the booming oil city of Calgary, scientists are charting a three-stage course for change that's aimed eventually at harvesting carbon from the atmosphere and converting it chemically into fuel.
Clean up the front end, do what we're doing better, look at clever ways of turning low-carbon fuels like coal and oil to natural gas, and then look for really clever technologies that allow the energy industry to stay in business while moving away from fossil carbon.
In the meantime, Canada plans to double its energy exports in just over 10 years. The country's already criticized for increasing greenhouse gas emissions, and whether the current government can strike a balance between oil-driven future prosperity and protecting the environment isn't yet clear. Daniel Lack, Al Jazeera, near Hardisty, Alberta.